Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable Snap Assist in Windows 11. The Snap Assist feature of Windows 11 displays what you can snap next to a snapped window. Once you place an app in one of the panes on the snap layout, Windows 11 shows you all the remaining apps to place them in the next pane on the snap layout. This feature is known as Snap Assist in Windows 11. Here is how to enable or disable this feature. How to enable or disable Snap Assist in Windows 11. To turn on or off Snap Assist on Windows 11, very first, open Windows 11 Settings by pressing Windows +I hotkey. Then, select System in the left pane. Next, click on the multitasking tile on the right pane. After that, expand Snap Windows by clicking on it. Here, uncheck or check the When I snap a window, suggest what I can snap next to it option to enable or disable the feature. That's it. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel Garip Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.